Maxine, what do you do if you cough?
Cover your mouth.
How?
Look that. And this is not proper. See?
That's not proper?
Yeah.
Why?
This is proper.
What happens if you use your hands?
You'll get bug germs.
You're gonna spread the germs, right?
Yeah. How weird. And you blow your nose because I'm putting it in the garbage.
Okay, what do you use to blow your nose?
With a tissue.
With a tissue?
Yeah.
And what happened to the tissue after?
You put it in the garbage.
Okay.
And then wash hands, and first put soap, and rub it first, then turn on the water. Wait, you have to turn on the water first to make it warm.
Okay.
And then get some soap. When you rub it, and you wash with water when the water's still on. If you leave the water on, the water can be empty.
Okay, and then dry?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why.
Good job.
And then you're done. When you're done, you turn off the water like that,
Mm-hmm.
and it's all clean.